Jim Shelton, you're going to the ball game tonight. If you are, I'll see you at the game. Talk to you later. Bye.
Welcome to Yorktown High School on February the 17th, 2026 for the game between the Yorktown Tigers 11-7 coming in and the Muncie Central Bearcats 10-7 coming into this game. The game started off with a first quarter that was indicative of what was to come. Muncie Central had an 18-16 lead at the end of one, and that was more towards the end of the quarter. There was more Yorktown. They got off to a little bit of a slow start, but after that, Katie bar the doors. It was the Yorktown Tigers the rest of the game, and the pathetic defense was back. You want to see how bad it was. Yorktown hadn't scored against anybody that they were even close to in the game. They hadn't scored over 65 points in a game. Yeah. Freezer Cat basketball had moved to Yorktown, and Freezer Cat basketball became no defense basketball. And that's what we got. In a two quarters, 39 for Yorktown, 28 for Muncie Central. Didn't get better in the third quarter. Yorktown scored 16 points to the Muncie's 9 for a 55-37 game. So at this point, we had no offense either. We were playing Freezer Cat basketball against the architect Freezer Cat basketball, Mr. Justin Allen, the coaching plumber. Game ends with a 70-53. Yorktown wins. Defense is with this team is an afterthought. When a team like that gets 70 points, you just start playing it. You aren't even trying. It was pathetic. Inside, they could score basically at will, and these guys just quit. So we go out of the game. There's a 10-8 record. At this point in the season, I would have bet money after the Anderson game that they would have at least had a winning season, and I think that's in jeopardy. The next game is against the North Central Panthers at North Central. Hard place to play. We'll see how that goes.
Way to follow that shot.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had.